Number 1.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, powered by a strong-running 350 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It offers a smooth and reliable driving experience, making it ideal as both a cruiser and a project truck. With approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer, this C10 is currently being used as a daily driver with no issues reported. The exterior wears a black paint finish with a striking patina that draws compliments wherever it goes. The body is in fair condition with no signs of rust, giving it solid bones for its age. Inside, the freshly redone blue interior provides a comfortable and clean cabin environment. The front seats have been upgraded from a 2001 Silverado, offering modern comfort while the original dash remains intact, preserving the truck's vintage appeal.
Number 2.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, well-preserved example of a classic American pickup, with 160,000 miles on the odometer and a clean Texas title. It was previously owned by an older gentleman who clearly took great care of it. The truck features a red exterior with its original paint in amazing condition, complemented by a clean silver interior that shows minimal wear for its age. Equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and powered by a reliable gasoline engine, the Sierra runs flawlessly with no mechanical issues and no warning lights on the dash. The dashboard is in perfect condition, not a single crack in sight, a rare find in vehicles of this vintage. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and every feature, from the lights to the gauges, functions exactly as it should.
Number 3.
1993 Ford F-150, price $9,000, well-maintained classic pickup with 114,000 miles on the odometer. Recently, the truck has undergone several important updates, including a rebuilt transmission, new gaskets, and a set of brand new tires, ensuring it runs and starts with zero issues. One of its standout features is the presence of dual gas tanks, one of which is fully connected and functional, while the second only needs to be hooked up. A toolbox is included in the bed, adding to the truck's utility and convenience. The body is in great condition overall, with just a couple of minor dents on the tailgate and some light sun fading in a few exterior spots, but nothing that takes away from its charm. Inside, the interior is in mint condition, showing no signs of fading or tears. The only notable blemish is a small, darker stain on the passenger seat. The radio works well, though the station display LED is out. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, powered by the reliable 5.7L V8 350 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. This truck runs great and shifts smoothly. It features 4x4 capability along with a towing package. The exterior is finished in turquoise, complemented by a tan interior, and the body is in excellent shape with no rust anywhere, a rare find for a truck of this age. It comes with a clean title and includes 2 sets of keys, as well as a separate key for the camper top. Several major maintenance items have already been taken care of.
The owner has replaced the spark plugs, spark plug wires, PCV valve and grommets, fuel pump, and fuel filter.
A rebuilt distributor, new air filter, new muffler, and new front and rear shocks have also been installed. Additionally, the truck rides on 4 brand new tires, purchased just 1 month ago, receipt available.
Number 5.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, with approximately 180,000 miles on the odometer. It has proven its durability over the years. The truck features a bold red exterior that pairs nicely with a clean black interior, giving it a sharp and timeless look. Under the hood, it's powered by a V6 engine and comes equipped with a manual transmission, offering a more hands-on and responsive driving experience. Despite its age, this Chevy runs smoothly and performs well, making it a great option for daily use, light hauling, or even as a project base. It's a good running truck that doesn't need any immediate work, so it's truly ready to go. The vehicle is being sold with a clean title, giving peace of mind to the next owner.
Number 6.
1994 Dodge Ram 2500, price $5,950, solid and dependable classic truck that reflects careful ownership and low mileage for its age. With only 97,000 miles on the odometer, it has clearly been well maintained and cared for throughout the years. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong and reliable 5.9-liter gasoline engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission that delivers a comfortable driving experience. This particular model is configured with rear-wheel drive, offering simplicity and durability. and it comes equipped with a full-length 8-foot bed perfect for hauling heavy loads, tools, or equipment. The exterior is finished in a timeless green color that complements the tan interior, creating a classic look both inside and out.
Number 7.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in green, while the interior comes in a classic tan color.
Equipped with 4-wheel drive that functions properly and an air conditioning system that blows cold, this truck is still in active daily use and performs impressively well for its age and mileage. The current owner purchased it from a gentleman in Walterboro who had owned the truck for nearly 2 decades. Included with the vehicle is a detailed folder containing every receipt and maintenance record from over the years, along with a tote full of spare parts. While it may need a bit of TLC, this Sierra is a solid and dependable choice for anyone willing to put in a little time and care. Number 8.
1986 GMC 1500, price $6,500. It comes equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a strong-running V8 gasoline engine, making it a reliable choice for both cruising and light-duty work. The exterior is finished in a clean white paint that contrasts nicely with the vibrant red interior, creating a bold and unmistakable look typical of 1980s American trucks. The truck runs and drives well, and the air conditioning is in working condition, offering added comfort during warm days. It rides on a set of modern 18-inch Boss wheels wrapped in brand new tires, enhancing both its stance and road handling.
While there are some areas of rust present, they don't take away from the overall solid condition of the vehicle. Number 9.
1979 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000. This truck comes with a clean title in hand and is in excellent mechanical condition with no issues. The truck runs and drives smoothly, making it a reliable classic for everyday use or restoration. It has received several recent upgrades, including brand new tires, a new radiator, a new heater core, and a new windshield. The exterior has also been improved with new side mirrors, a new grille and bumper, and updated front and rear lights, along with the addition of a backup camera for modern convenience. While the truck is mechanically sound and well maintained, the interior still needs to be finished, offering a great opportunity for the next owner to customize it to their liking.
Number 10.
1984 Ford F-150, price $7,500, equipped with a 351 Windsor engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck had been sitting in a barn for about 20 years before the current owner brought it back to life. Since then, several key components have been replaced, including the fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, brake calipers, master cylinder, and carburetor. Although the original carburetor is still included, recently, the truck has been driven up and down the road a few times and is reported to drive well.
However, it does need new tires, as 2 of them won't hold air overnight.
The truck also comes with its original wheels, adding to its authenticity. Despite its long storage, this classic Ford shows promise and could be a solid foundation for restoration or a weekend driver with a bit more work.